Wifey loved this so much she actually let me sleep inside tonight. 1. How'd I miss this genius hack? Top tier trick from my Italian bro. Let's drop 2.5 cups of milk. Splash half a cup of water. Dump 250 grams pasta in. Quick check. Drop your city. Where you reppin' from so I can shout you out? Huge shout out to Emma Johnson in Miami. Stoked you're loving these fire recipes. Check it, that milk is getting thick. Slap in a tablespoon of butter. This final result will blow your mind. Wifey's gonna demand this daily. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Half spoon pepper, 1 spoon paprika. Stole this secret from a 5-star chef. Now I literally can't eat pasta any other way. Load up that mozzarella, don't be shy. Go crazy with it. Throw in Parmesan or cheddar if you're extra. Lilon, simmer for 15 minutes. New pan, drizzle that liquid gold olive oil. Throw in 200 grams of bacon. You'll be bowing down to me later. Sizzle and stir with the spatula. Add 1 chopped onion, 3 minced garlic cloves. This is officially in our weekly rotation. Wifey approves, so I survive. Fancy restaurant owners hate this. They don't want you knowing this hack. Save so much takeout cash doing this. Toss in 1 teaspoon salt, 1 spoon paprika, half spoon black pepper. Look at this gorgeous masterpiece. Smells so good I'm crying real tears. Don't believe me? Try it yourself. Whip it up, then hit the comments. Absolute lifesaver on lazy nights. Ready in under 30 minutes, no cap. Perfection right here, folks. Plate up that crispy bacon goodness. My family begs for this daily. Dump in that creamy pasta. So dangerous you'll eat the whole pan. Shout out to my Italian homie. Best pasta hack in existence. Two, ultimate gut cleansing potion alert. Flush out years of nasty toxins and build up instantly. Boil garlic and cloves in 2 cups water. Drink every morning on an empty stomach for a week. Reset your digestive system fast. Say goodbye to gut bloat forever. 3. Bet ya $100 you didn't know this. Ice, sugar, instant coffee. Cold water in, blend it up. Boom, gourmet coffee mousse. Tastes just like a fancy cafe. 4. Mind-blowing belly fat eraser. Soak 2 tablespoons of flaxseed first. Add pineapple, lemon juice, half an apple. Throw in the soaked seeds. Add water and blend for 1 minute. Show some love. Like, comment, share. Helps us keep these tricks coming. Simple smoothie with massive results. Melt away that stubborn belly bloat. Clean out your colon and fix digestion. Save this before it gets deleted. 5. Cup of flour, 2 TBSP cocoa powder, 1 egg, 3 TBSP honey, 2 TBSP melted butter. Mix and shape into cookies. Bake 350° F for 10-12 mins. Comment link for our full ebook. 6. Slice up 3 chicken breasts. Best dinner of your entire life. Cut 3 chicken breasts right here like this. Season with salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. Paprika to taste. Rub it in real good. Simple ingredients right here. Way better than fancy restaurant food. Trust me. Melt 1 spoon butter with olive oil. Stir till it's fully melted. Drop in that seasoned chicken. Super easy, quick, and foolproof. 0 excuses not to try. Wifey makes me cook this weekly now. Toss in 3 garlic cloves, fry both sides. Your family's gonna lose their minds! Pull the chicken out when golden. This is in our permanent lineup. Absolute game changer. Smash those garlic cloves up. Throw in chopped onion, saute till brown. Secret family heirloom recipe here. How do you cook chicken? Tell me. Pour chicken broth in heavy cream. 1 teaspoon salt. Pepper, oregano, mix it all up. Quick check! What city are you in? Drop it for a shout-out. Huge shout-out to Emma in NYC. So hyped you love these. Squeeze half lime and fresh parsley. Saved so much takeout cash. Wifey's super proud. Chicken goes back into pan. Spoon that heavenly sauce over. Top secret chef trick right here. Send this to a chicken lover. They'll be thanking you forever. Crazy easy for lazy weeknights. Ready in a flash. Seven, instant heartburn and bloat eraser. Mix water, half lemon juice, baking soda. Stir after fizzing stops. Drink after meals twice a day max. Kills gas and bloating instantly. Skip if you have alkalosis. 8, 1 spoon honey, 1 spoon coffee. Add water, blend it up fast. Mix with cold milk till super creamy. Pour over ice for instant bliss. Way better than expensive cafes. Save your cash with this. 9. Beetroot secret nobody tells you. Blend with lemon and cucumber. Cleanses blood and liver fast. Orange plus oats lowers cholesterol. Pineapple and kiwi flushes colon waste. Carrot and lemon purifies your kidneys. Apple plus cucumber. Flattens belly and fixes digestion. Save this hack right now. 10. Whisk 2 eggs. Milk, honey, mozzarella cheese. Flour, baking powder, pour in pan. Bake 340 degrés for 25 minutes. Fluffy cheesecake perfection ready. Comment link for full ebook. 11. Embarrassed by bad bathroom odor? Mix lemon, baking soda, salt, water. Flushes toxins and kills stink fast. Use any public bathroom worry-free.